Hi, this is Padarbind, your English communication faculty. Today I have got a very nice subject for you, and here I would like to teach you active voice of which tense? Present progressive tense. Present progressive tense, also called present continuous tense. There are four structures I would like to tell you where you can frame your correct English sentence, and you can also use it in your speaking where there won't be any kind of flaw, right? Let's go. Positive structure. S for subject, then auxiliary form is MR, V for an object. What is V for? ING form. Going, doing, eating, sleeping, making, watching. All ING forms are made with V4. If I say V4, you mean ING form. Negative. Subject plus is MR plus not, then V4 an object. So when we talk about negative, we introduce not here. Positive interrogative, it means positive questions. Is MR, then subject, then V4, then object. You need to introduce your auxiliary before the subject to make positive questions. When you put negative here, your negative interrogative will be isn't, aren't, plus subject plus V4 plus object. So this is the fourth structure I have shared with you to make your English correct. I want you to watch passive structure also to know more details about this tense, present continuous or present progressive tense. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel, share with your friends, learn so many things and improve your English communication skill. Thank you. All right. All the best.